Yo, what's up, Instagram or YouTube, wherever decide to post this, maybe both. Hope you guys are having a good day. Just wanted to give you an update on the Rebel. So the Rebel's back. The frame ended up getting powder coated. The triple trees ended up getting powder coated. And now it's time to assemble. I still have to paint a few things that I decided not getting powder coated, like the shocks, just because I don't feel like disassembling the front shocks and doing all that shit, you know. But here it is. I got the tank on. I didn't choose the colors, so if anyone doesn't like it, go fuck yourself. But this is it. So there's already a hole right here, so that's cool. I don't have to drill a hole for the rear of that tank, but I do have to make brackets for the front because that's the mount tab, and then the other mount's way down there. So I always start with a piece of cardboard. Just cut some cardboard to size, and then just, you know, mark some dots to get started. And then I'm gonna do that. What else? Yeah, so I'm going all in on it now. So I got the Harley right here. The Harley's done. I'm waiting on a license plate for that. I accidentally sold my custom plate with my old bike, so I'm waiting on that to come. Waiting on the new plate. I'm going to do some videos for the Harley, get some good pictures, and so yeah, this is the next thing. That's that. Powder coat's okay. Northeast fence. They fucked a few things up, but what are you gonna do? The original plan wasn't to powder coat it, but we had it off and we just decided to do it. This project was supposed to be like a quick, just fucking strip it down, refresh some things and put it back together, and ended up turning into a full-blown fucking refinishing project. But it's cool. It's gonna look really nice when it's done. Definitely gonna be the fucking coolest Rebel around here, I'll tell you that. But if I do anything else, when I do anything else, you guys will know. I want to be more consistent with the videos. I have a whole bunch of shit lined up for a car project. If you guys are interested, I created a new car page. I'll put that in my Instagram story. You guys can follow that. If you guys like BMW, well, any car, because I'm going to be modifying all kinds of cars. But that's that. Can't go wrong with the classic Sportster tank. It's the best looking tank, in my opinion, ever. Alright guys, till next time.